How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog and Knuckles the Echidna as one character. So let's jump right into it, okay? Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to make Shadow the Hedgehog and Knuckles the Echidna. So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curve right here for the mouth area. And I'm going to pull a line out. The nose is going to be pointed. So that's Knuckles' nose. And I'm going to curve over here for the back of the mouth. And I'm going to find the rest of the mouth down here. Curve over here for the pointed nose. Line down. I'm going to fill that in. Line down over here. Fill that in. Going to go over here up for the eye because they both have a very similar eye. Line over here. Line over there. Curve over here for the far side of that eye. Brow. Brow. Okay. And Knuckles, you don't really see his ears ever, but this is where we're going to throw in some shadow stuff. Line there, like a triangle for the ear. Line over here for shadow the ear. The ear, I mean. And we're going to draw the inside of that. Let's go here for the eye. Curve right there for the eye in that area. Circle. Dot. Circle. Dot. Right on. Line over here. Curve over here. Up. Out. Wiggle. Right? So this is going to be really weird. So on Shadow's hair usually goes up and points upward. Knuckles usually goes downward. So I'm going to do and he has these tendrils, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of a combination of the two where it's kind of going up, but they're going to be Knuckles' tendrils. So it's going to be, they're going to be aiming upward here, but it's going to be Knuckles' tendrils. I think that'll probably be the best way to solve it. Line over here for the mouth. Right on. Down. Line over here for the hand. Curve line over here. Line over here for the wrist. And right there for, we're going to draw kind of Knuckles', more or less Knuckles' hand right here. Right on. Downward over here. He's got the chest downward over here. We're going to put the Shadow's chest, though, where he has these like little hair thing. Right on. And down over here, and we're going to split the legs there. Sweet. Curve back. And curve over here. Curve over here. Curve over here. And I'm going to throw another little tendril over there. I think that'll make sense. Line over here as well. And we're going to keep going over here because normally there's spikes in the back. But we're going to have these tendril lines over here. Give me another character, by the way, you want to see combined. Let's draw a line over here on this side. And I'm going to go over here and draw a thumb on this end. Curve over here. Right over here for the tail. And we're drawing another tendril on this side. And maybe a line down here because I forgot there's a little bit of eyeliner that Shadow has, and that's what I'm going to put right there, which makes it look a little bit more, right? More obvious, yeah, I don't know. Like it makes it look more Shadow-like. We're throwing in, like I said, features of both. And then we throw how do you say, another, like some of the tendrils back here coming out on this end as well. It definitely helps out. And there you go. Right on. Right on. Good stuff. Yeah, it's really fun to like kind of do this. If you have any other ideas, let me know. Let's just keep going a little bit more. Draw a few little lines in this area. Don't forget to download the Gumroad stuff. There's a lot of free stuff on Gumroad, like free resources, free Christmas stuff, free, all kinds of stuff. Go take a look at that. It is incredibly easy to do that stuff, to download that stuff. It's on the Gumroad. There's also a email list. There's tons of little things you could do, but go take a look at that. And yeah, so definitely check that stuff out. It's definitely made there for you to get better and just kind of and get better at, like, through enjoying it, stuff like that. Let's see right here, one more little thing. So now we look at the character and we're thinking, okay, what do we do now? So, well, I could probably pull in a dark line over here, a couple of dark lines over here to kind of make things make a little bit more sense, and kind of figure stuff out. Over here, over here, line over here. But we're just adding these little details in order to make it a little bit more convincing, more strategic and things like that. But I want to thank you very much for watching. You're amazing. I'm going to stick around right here. We're going to go through another drawing lesson. Also, I want you to give me ideas of what this guy's name would be. What would it be like? And I'll pin the one I like, by the way. So it's Knuckles mixed with Shadow the Hedgehog. What would this character's name be? All right, let me know, and I'll pin. Like if you put it down there, I'm gonna pin the one I like the most. Okay. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video, and we'll talk soon. All right. See you later. Wait a minute. 1 second. Okay. Now, see you later. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.